こんにちは。ようこそ。Assalamualaikum, konnichiwa. This is Navid Anjum from Shibuya, Tokyo, Japan. Today, I am with a Japanese organization very famous and well known in Japan. I brought you English job opportunities from Tokyo, not only in Tokyo, but all over the Japan. Let's not waste your time. Let me introduce these people. Could you please introduce yourself?
So, hello, my name is Nao and I belong to Tomonokai. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. My name is Itami, the manager of this program. Nice to meet you.
Hello, my name is Madoka. I'm a member of the Tomonokai team. Hello, nice to meet you.
Yeah, thank you for your introduction. So today actually we are here to ask some, I'm here to ask some questions and they will be telling you the very important information about the English job opportunities, especially for international students in Japan. So could you please introduce our audience that what kind of organization are you from?
Tomonokai Corporation is the educational company which has 21 years of history, and we have maybe 7 sections in the company, and each section running some education program. And our section is the only section which is collaborating with the people from other country, like international students, and we are providing a global educational program for the Japanese schools, high school and junior high school.
Okay, so could you tell us what are the objectives or goals of your organization?
Originally, we are starting this business for the international students to provide more good working opportunity in Japan for the people in international school students in Japan. Actually, we have 4,500 international student membership in our company, and the nationality is 125. So the communication with these people is so real opportunity for the Japanese students. So our purpose is the providing this kind of communication opportunity for the Japanese students to talk to the many people from other country in English. Actually, in Japan school, the English study is just writing and reading. So this is also the actual situation communication in the real world for the Japanese students.
Wow, that's amazing. It's like sometimes it's also like it's like a lifetime opportunity.
Yeah.
They are speaking to the international students.
Yeah.
Wow, that's also a unique thing, not only for the Japanese students, but also for the international students.
Yeah, it's so inspiring time, I believe.
Yeah.
Wow. So our goal is more than English, but also the cultural exchange or the know each other over the cultural difference. So,
Okay, thank you. So could you please tell our audience that what kind of programs you do or what are the contents in your programs?
Yeah, sure. We mainly work with junior high school and high school students, Japanese teenagers, I would say. So in Tomonokai, we are not an English school. So our purpose is not to teach English or give a grammar lesson, but we want to provide a space where Japanese students can communicate with international students using English. So we expect that the international students who work with us motivate Japanese students and engage them with the communication, and also we have other activities other than conversation. So for example, we play some ice break games in English. We do some activities together, like making a presentation. We have discussions on intercultural things, and we focus a lot on teamwork. So usually a team has, let's say, 5 to 8 Japanese students and 1 international student. And that international student is expected to be active, keep the team active, and give the equal chance to all the members to participate in the activities that we do.
Wow, that's great. Actually, it's not like kind of teaching, special teaching. It's like you're going to have fun with them. Yeah, thank you. And could you please tell our audience that what is the eligibility criteria for the international students if they want to join your organization? How can they approach you, or how are you going to recruit them?
Okay, and basically we recruit international students in Japan, but of course we are welcoming who have studied or who are currently working in Japan, even if they can share the same passion or motivation with international students in Japan. And for nationality, we welcome for all nationalities. So yes, we're welcoming everyone, and we don't have age limit. Yes, but two important things that we want everyone to is, one is having the work permit in Japan and visa, and the second is having Japanese bank account. This is the necessary criteria. But rather than that, we don't care about like the nationality, age, or genders or something.
Oh, that's amazing. I think they don't have any age limit, especially when we talk about scholarships in Japan, they usually have some age limit, like around 35 years old, but they really don't have any age limit. That's the best thing, I think. Even if you are like 50, 60 or 70, maybe it's okay if you are energetic. Yeah.
Yes, that is very important.
Yeah, and you also need a work permit. I can simply tell you what kind of work permit you can have. If you are a student here in Japan, you can simply go to the immigration office and you can request them. It's a one-day job. You can ask them to, could you please give me a work permit? They will give you a stamp behind your residence card, and it's usually 28 hours per week. So it's very easy to get. Don't worry about that. You can simply ask me. Okay. Yeah. So thank you for telling our audience the eligibility criteria. So could you also tell us that how many regions in Japan do you cover?
Regions.
Yeah.
Yeah, region. For region, we cover, of course, our office in Tokyo, so around Tokyo is covered. And second, Kansai area like Kyoto, Osaka, Kobe, or Sapporo in Hokkaido. It's not a part of Japan. And Tohoku, Sendai. Sendai is it's also in the northern part of the Japan, but Sendai city is covered.
Yeah, so this organization, you can see that they cover most of the regions, most of the prefectures here in Japan.
Yeah.
I also had many experiences with them, and I visited many prefectures in Japan because I love sightseeing. If you also love to see beautiful Japan, please join their organization. Okay, so thank you for telling us about the region. So could you also tell us very, very important thing, and it's about the payment.
Yeah, payment. I think payment is the most important information for you guys to want to know. And basically, the thing is, we have different payment for each program, so it is completely depend on the contents or time. For example, like we have 1 day program or 2 or 3 days longer program, so depends on the characteristics of each program. We have different payment. Yeah, so if you want to know the payment, like how much you can receive for participating, you can go to our website and check the each recruitment article. Yes.
Yeah, so I have also worked with several organizations here in Japan. Their payment is good enough. Yeah, for your satisfaction. Yeah, I was satisfied, so I hope that you will also be satisfied. Hopefully. Yeah. So thank you for your introduction to the organization, and could you also tell us, do you cover transportation cost?
Yes, for some programs, but actually, as I mentioned, it completely depends on each program. But basically, we cover for the transportation.
Yeah. So what else do you need? Come on, guys. So they are paying you for the job. I don't think that's kind of a job. You are going to have fun activities. You're going to play with the Japanese students, and you are getting paid for that. And you are also getting transportation cost. You will be getting reimbursement, so it's okay. I will also tell you my experience with this organization. I have attended more than 50 programs with
Yes.
this organization. Yeah, I have been working with them since 3 years. I have a lot of memories, good memories actually. I don't have any bad memory with them. Yeah, they are very, very supportive. If I talk about the programs or Japanese students, basically I wanted to experience Japanese culture. So I learned a lot of unique aspects from the Japanese school aspects, what kind of education is being given to them. So I was surprised to know that how they are getting education, their school cleaning, their manners, their ethics. Oh my God, I was surprised. And I also made a lot of international friends. Tomonokai organization, it's like a global village. If you are going to join Tomonokai organization, you will be making a lot of friends all over the world. Yeah. So right now, it's been 3 years, and I made more than 100 international friends in Japan because of this organization. Yeah. So, and if I talk about this organization, they are very, very professional. They will treat you very kindly, and they are very supportive. All the stuff from Tomonokai and also the facilitator, because I served at many posts like leader and supporter and facilitator. So if you get more experience, you could also get promoted. So at the end, if you would like to say something, you can add. Otherwise, I'm gonna say thank you to my audience.
Thank you very much for this space that you gave us. It's always nice to talk to you, and thank you very much also for your participation. More than 50 programs.
Yeah, thank you. And yeah, the most important thing, I'm gonna give their official website link, and I think they also have a YouTube channel as well. I'm gonna give the link of that YouTube channel in the description of this video. And just in case if you have any query or questions, you can put comment below this video. I will be hopefully answering your video. Otherwise, you can, when you enter Japan, you can simply contact this organization. You can find all the details in the description of this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in Japan. Sayonara.
See you soon. Thank
Love
you.
it. Bye bye.
Matemasu.
See you. Bye bye.